Hey friends, welcome back to Satyori Way. This is your weekly blend of star weather, seasonal wellness, and yoga that actually fits your life. We are in that hinge of early September in the northern hemisphere. Days can still be warm, but evenings lean drier and cooler. Your body starts craving steadier rhythms after the summer sprawl. Think of this week as a gentle downshift, less sizzle, more stability. Cosmically, it's a clean, simple sky and the sidereal zodiac. The sun is in Leo, with Mercury joining it there, which spotlights the heart, the voice, and honest leadership. Venus spends the week in Cancer, softening home life and creature comforts. Mars is in Virgo, perfect for edits and systems. Jupiter moves through Gemini, so learning and cross-pollinating ideas stay favored. Saturn is retrograde in Pisces, asking us to put compassionate boundaries around our rest and spiritual life. The lunar nodes stretch across Leo and Aquarius, so we're balancing personal expression with the health of our circles. We'll feel all of that build toward a total lunar eclipse at Sunday's full moon. Quick timing note if you're eclipse curious, the total lunar eclipse on Sunday, September 7th is widely visible across Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia, with the heart of totality around 1811 UTC. The Americas largely sit this one out. Plan your evening accordingly, if you're in range. Before we walk the week, let's set a seasonal container. Late summer warmth plus increasing dryness means your nervous system wants warm, cooked food, steady hydration, and a little more oil and rest. If it's still hot where you live, keep lunch light, cooling, and hydrating. Then let dinner be warm and grounding. Short, consistent routines will beat heroic efforts for the next stretch. Now, let's flow day by day. But first, if you find this guidance helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps this message reach more people. All right, Monday and Tuesday. It's a tidy the edges start, with Mars favoring detail and Mercury steadying in Leo. Take 15 minutes to clear one visual mess that's been bugging you. The corner of a desk, the top of the fridge, your digital desktop. On the mat, think simple strength plus a couple of twists to wring out leftover heat. In breathwork, use box breathing, 4 in, 4 hold, 4 out, 4 hold, to even things out. Wednesday and Thursday. Practical momentum picks up. Make one system kinder. Your morning routine, your inbox rules, your pantry staples. If you're writing or presenting, speak from the heart first, then edit. For yoga, longer holds and standing shapes and 2 easy back bends if you sit a lot. Keep the heat moderate. We're training consistency, not intensity. Friday and Saturday. We widen toward the social field and that eclipse threshold. Keep your schedule lighter than usual. Take a walk with a friend, cook for family, and leave some white space. Practice can be quieter and floor-based, with longer exhales. Great nights for screen dim light and early bed. Sunday is the full moon with a total lunar eclipse in sidereal Aquarius. Eclipse windows are better for reflection than for big launches. Keep the day uncluttered. Journal, reset a room, or update your intentions for the fall. If you can see the eclipse where you are, let the Earth's shadow over the moon shrink your to-do list to what matters. Here's how to work with the sky in real life. Sun plus Mercury in Leo. Say the real thing, simply. A good micro-ritual is a 1-minute morning voice memo answering, "What would be the brave thing to say today?" Mercury's out of its summer retrograde cycle now, so logistics and comms are fine to move forward. Venus in Cancer. Upgrade comfort without buying anything new. Fresh sheets, a cleared nightstand, a small vase of greens by your workspace. Creature softness goes a long way this week. Mars in Virgo. Edit instead of overhaul. Delete 3 tasks outright. The courage to remove equals the courage to act. Jupiter in Gemini. 1 idea, 2 formats. If you draft a page, also say it out loud into your phone. That cross-training really pays this week. Saturn retrograde in Pisces. Put gentle edges around rest. Sleep alarms, not just wake alarms. If you meditate, give it a small container. 5 to 10 minutes is plenty. Saturn shifts back into Pisces right at the top of the month, so treat boundaries around downtime as an act of care. Nodes on the Leo-Aquarius line. This eclipse season spotlights the balance between my voice and our well-being. Let Sunday remind you that good self-expression also listens. Now for some yoga and breath that fit the week. Keep it short and regular, 15 to 30 minutes most days. Start with a few rounds of slow cat-cow, a steady mini flow through basic standing shapes, then seated folds. Work at a medium effort and stay out of the red. Breath-wise, try 5 minutes of box breathing in the morning, then shift to a 4-6 or 4-8 inhale-exhale ratio at night to cool the mind. If sound helps, a few rounds of soft humming breath in the evening is lovely. Here are some food and daily rhythm cues for early September. Breakfast can be warm oats or rice pudding with stewed apples or pears and a drizzle of ghee. Lunch is your most colorful meal, lightly spiced. Dinner is simple soup or a quick sauté with zucchini, carrots, greens, and a handful of protein. Hydration should be steady sipping, not chugging. Mint or fennel in your midday water if you're still running warm. Aim for lights out 30 to 60 minutes earlier than last week. Your future self will notice. Here's my closing thought to wrap it all up. This week isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right amount, warmly. Let your body set the metronome. Let your heart choose the words. And on Sunday night, let the earth remind you what you're part of. I'll see you tomorrow with guidance for the month of September.